And next, we're moving to the content part that is called as our section. And section inside, we are going to using one special tag, sir. We already discussed recent days, iframe. Remember iframe? One of the HTML new tag. Section HTML new tag, navigation HTML new tag, header is HTML new tag, and coming concept iframe is also HTML new tag. And the next topic, next to designing, not topic, sorry. Next part of the designing, footer. Footer is also HTML's new tag only. So why we need the iframe here, sir? Coming to that only. Section inside, I'm going to taking a blank iframe. Currently, it's an empty iframe. So this part we are preparing for displaying of the content. Content section. Once run the program, a small box available here, observe sir, left side. This is called as our iframe. A small box is there now. This is called as iframe. What is our requirement, sir? First of all, we should expand this iframe tag. Width and height. First, I'm expanding that one. Right now in my program, I have single iframe tag. So directly I'm going to implementing tag selector. By chance, if you have the multiple iframes, sir, as usual, go for either ID selectors or class selectors. Iframe. And width, I'm taking some 90%, not 10%, 90% only. Next one. Background color I'm going to apply. So what is the background color, sir? Hot pink I'm going to apply. Background color. And what about the height? Height is of 500 pixels I'm going to taking here. Width 90% of the my container and height fixed 500 pixels. Background color hot pink. And close this. So it's a tag selector, so mapping not required. We can directly apply it. Go and refresh once. That is iframe box. Full width not comes, sir. Full width not comes and 90% I'm design together. So that is the reason. Do one thing. Take the 95%. Next what, sir? This pink color box I want it just to center of the browser. But right now it's available in the left side of the browser. So try to adjust to center of the browser. Any specific reason, sir? Today Tuesday, that's why. Rose Mangalavaram ani center lo pedutunnanu. Vastu. No specific reason, sir. Just like that. But now small doubt here. But I want to get this box into center. We have to apply some alignment related property. Where we have to apply in iframe or in any other tag. So okay, same question in another direction. Get this box to center of the page. What is the code? Align equals to center. Where in iframe? Container tag. Yes. You have to apply the alignment option to container, not to the iframe. So inside this iframe, if you write the text align or directly in iframe tag, if you write the align equals to center, no use. Iframe inside data is there, na? That data comes to center, but not to iframe. So these alignment should apply to the iframe container tag. So who is the iframe container tags? Are section tag. Go to the section, align equals to center. Then frame comes to center. Section tag of apply the alignment, the frame comes to the center. Next one, the iframe, if you observe it, sir, once, one gray color line is available, observed, pink beside. So what is that gray color line, sir? It's a border. The iframe tag inbuilt, they have the borders. The border color is the gray color. We don't like that, sir. We in the sense, not we. I don't like that. So I want to disable that border. Yes, frame border. The frame border. So I'm disabling the frame border equals to 0. The gray color line deactivated. See that? Now available a gray color line. Refresh. A border gone. Actually, border not created by me. It's an inbuilt option. That inbuilt border I disabled. That's all. So iframe related settings over. Next, what to do, sir? But we have total 5 menus, sir. 5 or 6 something hyperlinks. 1, 2, 3. If I click any of this hyperlink, if I click any of this menu item, they should be called next program. Generally, that next program opens in the next page. Now, for testing operations, I'll make the small thing. This is when I click on the home, sir, it opens the home.html. Right now, home.html not designed. So for testing operations, I'm calling one of our old example2.html. Next, I'll replace that name, sir. And this is example7.html. Suppose this is example10.html. How it is working for testing purpose. Refresh, click on the link. Open, but how, sir? Like as a separate page. If it is opens like as a separate page, the bottom space waste, sir. What is the use to create? Now check the second link. Same. Back, check the third link. Same. What is our expectation? That every link should be opens inside this iframe. If you click any link, sir, they should be called a separate program, but every program should be displayed inside this pink color box only. Every page should be opens inside this pink color box only. But real application feeling also comes. Any possibility is there, sir? 100%, sir. In anchor tag, href is one attribute. We have one more attribute. Any idea? In anchor tag, href is one attribute. Second attribute also available. SRC, the image concept together. You go. REL, this one got the link tag. In anchor tag, second attribute available. So what is the name of that attribute? Who's that? Target. Sure, very good. Target option is available, sir. Oh, we got so many online answers. Target is the right answer, sir. Very good. So anchor tag here, we have the target option equals to, we already discussed long back, target equals to self and target equals to blank also I explained already, and target equals to frame name also available. A frame name, current iframes concept. So when I click on this link, it opens the next page. That page where we want to open, write the frame name mapping. Which frame you map put to target option, next page opens inside this box. So now go to the iframe tag. Name equals to frame name. First set name for your iframe, whatever it may be. My frame, sir. My frame. So this name apply in target. See that one. Underscore self open within the same tab. Underscore blank open in the fresh tab. Another tab, it opens the page. Now my frame. It opens your page inside the my frame. Who is that my frame, sir? This is the name of the iframe. So these are the possible options. These two options long back we already completed, sir. This is now I'm going to covering. Check it once. When I click on this home, it calls the example2.html. But example2.html content where it is displaying inside the pink color box. But services will again separate. So write the same setting in every anchor tag. In every anchor tag, write the same settings, sir. All related to map. But all are working on auto for testing purpose. We'll call different examples. Example 15. Example 20. Example 33. Dummy examples, sir. Testing purpose. Refresh. Click on first link, home. Click on second link. Click on third link. Click on fourth link. Click on fifth link. Click on sixth link. 6 pages we are watching at a time on the single page. Embedded operations. On original websites, we have the same type of thing. Example, but Gmail inbox observed. Gmail. When you are logging into Gmail, the same menu options comes left side. Inbox, updates, promotions, spam, drafts. If you click any of that link, the content is displaying in the right side only, not anywhere. Exactly right side box only it is displaying that one. Or if you go for any online tutorials websites, whatever it may be, there are topics list available. So introduction to core Java, operators in core Java, keywords or something. If you click any of the topic, where explanation comes, the same box, right side one white color box is waiting generally. In that white color box, they're displaying the every link also. And nowadays trends are website design, but their vertical links are you design horizontal links are. That is not a problem. The same blue color bar we can also design vertically and you can place in the left side of the screen also. Just a small adjustment. So this is our navigation bar. Set the width for navigation bar or 200 pixels or 150 pixels. So this lengthy box is comes to like that. That all anchor tags are comes the line by line, line by line, line by line. And this iframe navigation bar should be displayed on the side by side. How to display the side by side, sir? One option, flex. Navigation bar section both place inside the flex. Automatically side by side it will comes. Otherwise, yesterday is used concept float equals to left. Then also comes side by side. That I'll show separately. Well, again, this program getting disturbance. Maybe. So section part completed, sir. Every link is going to working properly. Actually, this program's pending. You have to finish those all the things. Next bottom, a small white color box is waiting, sir. For that, I'm going to placing the footer section. A last white color area, I want to place the footer section. So for designing of the footer section, once again, one option is the division tag. A division tag old, sir, I need some readable format name, sir. Then go for the footer. Compared to division, footer identification easy. Name identification easy. Footer section inside what we have to place, sir. Address, contact numbers, email IDs, social media links, copyrights, terms and conditions, etc. etc. We'll do the small things, sir. We'll copy the data from the Naresh IT website. So go to the end of the page. Some of the content I'm copying from here. Okay, just two content I copied, not much more. But these are, we want to display the side by side, right? If I run this one, sir, we are not implemented any tags, sir. Just a total data I copy pasted inside the photo section. But what happens, sir? This whole data comes in the single line. Maybe possibilities there are two lines because BR tags not available, headings not available, paragraphs not available. It considered as a plain text. A plain text is printing from the left side to right side directly. A last one you can observe, you'll get the clarity. But we want to split this into two columns. First column address details, second column phone numbers details. So for that, what to do, sir? Take one division tag, sub tag. The first column, sir. First column inside these details required. And division tag is closed. Next, the second division tag. Second division tag is closed. But what is the effect, sir? But two lines comes. The first data separate block, second data separate block. Two blocks are comes. Divided little bit data, not completely, little bit. Now adjust these sizes and display the side by side. So how to get the side by side, sir? As usual, flexor grid, your choice. Can I take the flexor, sir? 100%, sir. You can take the flex, no problem. But if I want to apply the flex, on which tag I have to apply? In this division tag or on this footer tag? Footer tag. Because these two division tags, container tag is footer. So apply the flex to footer. Otherwise, take one main division tag, place these two subdivision tags inside this main. One extra tags. We can just adjust with the existing footer tag. So content ready, the footer sections I'm going to implementing here. Single footer. So tag selector I'm preferring here. First of all, background color for my footer. Black. Blue తీసుకున్నాం అంటే ఇక్కడ blue available. Blue వేసుకున్నాం. Background color blue I'm taking, foreground color white. So this is the blue. What is our data color, sir? Data color is white. And next one, display colon flex. Display colon flex. Some changes we'll expect in the output. Observe that one. Two boxes, two data splittings are reaches, addresses, Satyam Theatre after cutting. Amirpet next line, Hyderabad cutting. And all contact numbers comes in the separate flag. Two columns divided, one column contains the address details, one column contains the contact numbers details. Next, some more alignment required. But these all are printing the side by side together. Try to use the BR. See that our typing and output style. This is our typing style, but output how it will coming? All are coming the side by side because no special instructions. But it's same format you want to get the outputs are BRU, BRU, BR, and after that some spaces alignment also required. Instead of this number of BR tags, instead of spaces adjustment, we have one special magical tag, sir. What is the tag, sir? Pre, 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 not free. Free until no need. So this is pre in the sense pre-formatted. What is the meaning of the tags are? My data alignment I already prepared. So as easily print on the screen, a browser don't interfere. Meaning it. So what is the data required? Where the space is required? Where the line break is required? I already prepared my data, my content. Browser don't put the finger. That is the pre-tag concept. So pre-formatted tag. The alignments, pre in the sense already done or future. Alignment of data is already done. Browser print that one as easily on the screen. But what to do, sir? If spaces comes into output as easily. A line breaks also comes into automatically. So without using any BR tags, see that. Open pre here and close the pre here. So you try to adjust these all the things, sir. How many spaces you given here? There that much of output it will comes. But how many 5 spaces I given, sir? Output also 5 spaces comes. Here 2 lines enter key I given, sir. In output also 2 lines line break is comes. But what you are watching here, sir, exact Xerox copy comes into the output. Exact Xerox copy. See once the output now. Sorry. This is the actual look, sir. But there, how many spaces I given here, that number of spaces comes. There, how many lines break I use it, this here, that number of lines break is comes. So pre-formatted alignment. It's called as the pre-formatted alignment. What are the typing order you are following? As this order comes into the output, including every space also countable. The same style of output we want to get it, sir. We have to write the lot of coding. Because first of all, spaces not comes in HTML. But here, how many spaces I given? That number of spaces comes in output. See that one. So that is the special of pre. If you don't like this one, you can go for your own style, sir. That's not a problem. So we have the 2 columns of data here. One column contains the address details and one column contains the contact numbers information. But data displaying very small size, you could try to increase the font size. Which tag font size we want to increase? Pre-tag font size. But instead of writing the pre-tag extra, you can go for better footer tag, because we already developed footer. Color also we have here only. Apply the font setting also here only. Font size, 20 pixels I'm taking here. Now it is visible betterly. Next, but a pre-tag data could not in center as well as not in the left side and not in the right side. But I want to adjust the little bit proper position, sir. Continue the settings of the flex. ఇంకా ఫ్లెక్స్ లో అలైన్మెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ జస్టిఫై కంటెంట్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ సార్. సో జస్టిఫై హైఫన్ కంటెంట్ equals to space around, space evenly, space what is one more or between. One is this option space between, second option is the space around, third option is the space evenly. So I'm going to writing the space evenly. What happens sir? The better alignment is comes sir. Instead of that one more option space between. And one more space around. The position setting changing. So this is the photo section, content section, header section, navigation bar. But almost everything is over, sir. One small problem is there here. A middle of the page, blank page displaying, that is not looking good. But what to do, sir? This blank space also fill with some data. Which data, sir? Maybe one image, display one image here. When you click on this link, image replaces with the data. No problem. Otherwise, most of the websites, what happens is the first link available, a first link data they are displaying, sir. When you click on the first link, which page is open, the same page displaying already in the iframe. So what to do that type of operations are? Go to the iframe. This is, and take here src equals to write some image name, one option. But that image displaying inside the box of the empty space feeling not comes. Otherwise, when you click on the first link, which program is open, write the same program address here. While opening of the page, first program displaying defaultly. The first program content is displaying automatically. Online tutorials websites, if you open any subject, already one topic opened or not? If you click on first link, same explanation comes here. Left side topics available. You selected HTML. HTML topics is comes. HTML explanation already is there. What is that explanation? Introduction of HTML. In the top of your content list, HTML introduction link is there or not? Yes, when you click on that, same data it will comes. Before clicking also, same data it is available. Even Gmail also, sir. If you go to the Gmail, first which mail is displaying? Inbox. If you click on inbox, again, and without clicking inbox, already inbox is displaying. If they are not displaying the inbox, sir, their hello spaces comes, empty spaces comes. Maybe user thinking, oh, something data not loading here. A field is comes. For overcoming of that field, first link automatically opening. If I click on this also, same output. And what the time of loading of the page also, same thing it will comes. So home page designing is completed, sir, myself. Balance home.html, services.html, new batches.html, courses.html, library.html available. So these try to design yourself. Actually, services, new batches, we already designed in tables, examples, and grid application, I think. We can map those services. Program number, not remember. Any idea na grid application we developed together one day, demo project. Example 33 or 34, I think. Hey, super. 34, sir, example 34. This is the same program. Now I'm calling this program. Example 34. Existing program we just map it to here. Next, new batches. New batches, maybe tables example we designed. List of batches I displayed in the table format. So 40, no. 41, no. 30. The IPL tables are this one. List of new batches. This program I'm calling here 37. Home services, new batches. Like that, finish the balance programs also will get the your own website. Put the design effectively with better color combinations, etc., etc. Next, one small option I'm going to explaining, sir, here. Actually, these are the menu items as well as anchor tags, hyperlinks. So these all options I designed directly with the anchor tag with the support of the navigation tag, right? And somebody yesterday they given something also, sir, we can use OL tags, UL tags or something, sir. We have direct option, sir, but extra tags required. I already designed with only anchor tag and navigation tag support. But if you are introducing OL tags, UL tags for creation of this one, simple thing. Direct facility we have here. The same type of menus, so somebody how they are designing, sir, and these anchor tags available. Na? Every anchor tag is going to displaying like as a one list item. Unordered list available, na? Taking unordered list to LI tag inside this anchor tag. But again, LI tag inside anchor tag. About 6 LI tags inside 6 anchor tags. These all are should be placed inside one OL tag. I designed with this code. And yesterday somebody they suggested, sir, to me. Then only point I highlighted, that's all. And why they suggested like that, sir, and internet knowledge and matter. How they knows OL tag we can use for menu designing. Watching somewhere over that one. So try to use our own brain, sir, instead of following blindly others. Now I'm going to making a small thing here. I designed the menu bar horizontally, just vertically how to place it. I'm going to showing a small example. Not like this, just roughly I'm showing that one. On a menu bar, I'm going to focusing vertically how to design. Section tag will continue. These all the things I'm deleting. One navigation bar, one section tag. The rest of components I deleted because my intention vertically menu bar designing is the only option. But what are the requirement for this vertical menu bar, sir? First, a navigation bar should be displayed. Navigation bar besides the section tag should be displayed. So section and navigation both should come the side by side. If you want to get the two block level, two containers the side by side, sir, you must use either grid or flex or float option. Float option or grid option or flex option compulsory. Otherwise, two containers side by side never comes. It is just a rough example only. The normal I'm going to designing. Style. Style close. First navigation bar settings is that. Last example settings are almost we required. I'll just try to copy paste it. Navigation bar, anchor tag, and anchor tag H over. So almost all the things I just copy pasted from the yesterday's program. No special. One small change I'm going to making. Width I'm taking 150 pixels. And navigation bar width also we have to control. Otherwise navigation bar full page it will comes up. So width of the navigation bar 150 pixels you can take, otherwise 200 pixels. And the height of the navigation bar is 600 pixels. Yesterday width 100% to height 22 pixels. Width 100% to height 22 pixels. Now today width 150 pixels to height full page. 600 pixels and almost will get the full page, sir. Once we'll check it up to this one. This is vertical designing. Six links available. And what is this, sir? This is our section tag, iframe. But it comes somewhere, sir. We have to adjust it. Wait. So menu bar ready. Vertical left side. We want to get the section tag here. So section tag settings required, as well as iframe also. Section tag settings first. So what is the width, sir? Width equals to some 700 pixels I'm taking here. And what about the height, sir? Height equals to 700 pixels, height also. And close this. Program not completed. The bottom section tag is highlighted, sir. Where is the section tag? If you want to identify that, do one thing, apply the background color. Some cyan I'm taking here. This is section tag area. But it's blue color or cyan color, both boxes we want to get the side by side. So this float equals to left. The same float apply for navigation bar also. Float equals to left. Navigation bar. Both come side by side. Next, iframe settings. Next, iframe settings. So iframe width equals to 100%. Means section tag, how much width available, iframe is also comes to the same width. And height equals to 700 pixels. Close this iframe. So now click on this link, sir. This is our tutorials way of looking. Topics, when you select the topic, right side explanation comes. Otherwise, our Gmail type of looking. The first one is inbox, the second one is spam, third one is updates, the third one for something, something, something. So previous example to this example, alignment is the difference. Left alignment and right top alignment. So menu bars we can place anywhere, sir, based on our requirement. Next one. What you are expecting next topic? JavaScript. Before starting, we have what JavaScript. Once if I started JavaScript, 100% reactions changing because that's subject to different base and matter that one. So JavaScript subject to different subject, programming different. We know already core Java, C language, C++, sir. Okay, very good. You know already C, core Java, .NET to C++ all together. That all the things neatly folded. Because that is not useful for learning of JavaScript. Your core Java knowledge, your C knowledge, your .NET knowledge, it's not helpful for learning of the JavaScript. It's a different subject, different pattern. The Python students say something better, sir. If you have any Python knowledge, it's surely some percentage useful for you for learning of JavaScript. So your programming languages structure, JavaScript structure, both not matching. 100% quite contrast, not similarities. Reasons are JavaScript is not a programming language. It is a scripting language. So it's a little bit different subjects. Could you be carefully listen? I'm going to starting that subject only. So listen, be carefully and practice daily. Otherwise, JavaScript playing the football with you. 100% sir, football playing with you. In general, simple things are core Java tougher, JavaScript tougher, sir. JavaScript tough, sir. Not core Java. Data structures tougher, JavaScript tougher, sir. Both same level of C language lo manaki data structures and one concept available kada. That level of subject, this one. So little bit of carelessly, just for time pass, JavaScript and learning and getting the knowledge is not possible. HTML, so many students you did like that only, like this. JavaScript, if you did like that, sir, katam. So my suggestions I think given, sir. You are following or not your interest. Following candidates will get better knowledge. Non-following candidates after some days batch drop. Simple formula. So you are going to working the very first time with a different programming structure, different programming pattern. Problem with the programming structure, sir. A programming structure, our main problem. First time we are going to learning everything like this. If you know already something, sir, we know already this one, we know already this. These reactions are comes. When you are seeing the very first time, sir, this type of look. Simple thing. But recently, Dasra holidays, anybody went to any trip? No. Suppose you plan some trip, sir. First time that place you are going on, right? In that place, if anything is visible, what is our reaction? Like this only. Already 2-3 times you visited that place. The fourth time you are going on, sir. What is your reaction? See that this is the human being nature. So JavaScript first time you are going to see. So attention, concentration required. And before starting the JavaScript, one small announcement also, sir. We have some more discussions in CSS, sir. Those all the things I'll take some Sunday extra class and I'll complete that one. CSS not over. We have some more pending in CSS. Coming Sunday, I'll take one extra session, special session, and we'll finish that pending things. So today I'm going to starting the JavaScript. Like as last Sunday, next Sunday also I'll take the one special session and we'll finish that pending things. Last Sunday, so many not attended the session. But 3 hours, 45 minutes session, and approximately 4 hours session you missed it. Okay, that is past, leave it. See here, the very first, what is scripting, I'm going to explaining. Remember that, sir, one small thing for your safety or for your awareness only. C, C++, Core Java, VB.NET, all these are the programming languages. It's not scripting languages. These all are the programming languages. PLs, the shortcut is called as the PLs. But what we are going to discuss in the current topic subjects are, it is a scripting language. So scripting languages structure, programming languages structure generally never going to matching. If it is matching, sir, two categories, how can divide it, sir? Both are following the same structure. Both are following the same type of coding style. But how can divide? This is different. This is different. You are dividing the two subjects to two categories and compulsory some differences are available. Without having any differences, dividing is not possible. So we are dividing here. Scripting languages, programming language. All are languages, sir. All are languages. See the structure. So this is the language. Languages is one category in our software. These languages will divide into the different models. So programming languages, one, no, and second one is the scripting languages. Third one we know very well, sir, ML, markup languages. But HTML structure, C structure matched anywhere. When HTML structure, Oracle structure matched anywhere. That is different category. That is ML family. This is PL family, and this is the SL family. But JavaScript only we have, sir, in scripting, sir. No, sir. JavaScript, VB script, JScript, TypeScript, Vue script, Vanilla script. We have a lot of scriptings. JavaScript is the first level of the scripting family. So many scripts available, like so many languages. So all coming from the languages family, but with the different attitudes. So I'm trying to provide a small information about the script. What is a script? When script is executing, where the script is executing, that all information available in this paragraph. So script is a program. Script is also program. HTML is also we develop programs only, but with the support of the tags. So script is a program. The program contains internally a set of instructions, common. And these all the instructions doesn't require any pre-processing operations. A script, they don't need any pre-processing operation. That means separate compilation, separate translations, so steps not available. Type the program and directly execute the program. Check it once, C students and Java students. After typing the program, are you executed directly anywhere? No, if you execute it, you will get error. First translation and then execution. Translation separate step, execution is separate steps. But scripts, so translation step not available. We have only execution part only. That is I'm mentioning here. Script, they don't need any pre-processing before running. We can directly run the programs. Scripts specialization, that one. Next, where the scripts are executing, sir. Script always executed in the context of the browser. HTML executed in the browser only, sir. CSS also executed in the browser, as well as now JavaScript is also executing in browser. Most of front-end technologies are executed within the browser only. Not that subject, this subject, sir. Almost all front-end technologies, client-side technologies are runs by the browser only. Next. When the script is executing, sir, where it is executing and in browser. Now I'm going to highlighting when it is executing, sir. Yellow color points are the when it is executing, sir. This is the first occasion the script is going to executing, and this is the second occasion the script is going to executing. What is the first occasion, sir? When a page loaded, whenever the web page is loaded, or whenever the web page is going to opening, background script is going to executing. That is one time. And while opening of the web pages, side by side, background JavaScript is going to executing. Situation number one. And second situation, sir, script executes in the response to the events. Long back event attributes and any idea, na? HTML starting days, event attributes. Event attributes, so they are starting with one common word. What is that word? On, right? So on click, on focus, on blur, something available. That is the second situation. If any event is triggered, if any event is activated, then background JavaScript is going to executing. So you want to run the JavaScript, two situations compulsory. One of these two situations. One, you have to open the page, then JavaScript executes. Otherwise, you should perform some event. Clicking on button or dragging or selecting or deselecting or checkboxes or something. Some of work if you perform, background JavaScript is going to responding. So these are the two situations, and this is the where it is executing, and the scripts specialization doesn't require any pre-processing operation. So script inside also we are solving the problems only, sir. JavaScript inside we are going to solving the problems, because by using JavaScript I want to design the calculator, sir. Problem solving compulsory. By using JavaScript I want to check the given number, prime number or not, sir. Calculations required. By using JavaScript I want to design the unit converter, sir. JavaScript is required. But if I want to do all these things, so coding required, formulas also required, general process. So overall we are going to solving some problems here. Previously we designed the pages, now we are going to solving the problems. Compulsory these problems related to your web pages only. So this is the small information about the script. Script is a program. A program is a set of instructions. They don't need any pre-processing operations before executing. Scripts always executes in the context of the browser. And when the script is executing generally, sir, when you are opening the web page, or if any event is triggered, or if any event is occurred, maybe both also possible, sir. Minimum one situation, otherwise two situations we can run at a time also. There is no problem in that one. Just an idea, I'm going to listing something, sir. Examples for scripts are example for scripting languages. So JavaScript is one of the most popular scripting language in our web technologies, especially. Not in all subjects, sir. In web technologies, JavaScript is the most popular. How much popular, sir? 94% of web applications, they're running based on JavaScript only. 94% of your web applications running based on the JavaScript only. And out of every 100 websites, 94 websites, JavaScript only using. JavaScript only they are helping internally. JavaScript next that much of level using script is the TypeScript. Generally this TypeScript you are going to learning in Angular, sir. If you go into attending the future Angular or Angular JS batches, so there we are going to working with the TypeScript. Is there any relation between the TypeScript and JavaScript, sir? TypeScript is the JavaScript square. TypeScript is the JavaScript square and superscript of the JavaScript. Square in the sense superscript. This is subscript. Tags available, sir. Subscript tag available, superscript tag available. So TypeScript is the superscript of the JavaScript. The meanings are JavaScript ka baap. So if you feel JavaScript as a typical, sir, TypeScript compared to this one double times. Without JavaScript knowledge, TypeScript learning is not possible, sir. Remember that one. This is the basic for other scripts. So these are the mostly used in our current days. Because balance things, sir. VB script also available for the .NET candidates. In ASP, we can use a VB script also. Next, shell script is also available. Perl script is also available. Vue script is also available. Vanilla script is also available. Strawberry not available, only vanilla available. And in the future, we can expect that one. Strawberry, Black Forest, Butterscotch. Currently, the vanilla script is available. So what is all these things are? Different types of scripting subjects. For all these scripts, base JavaScript especially. At the foundation for the TypeScript and for the future scripts also. So why this point I'm saying here, sir, means if I'm not highlighted this point, somebody is thinking JavaScript is the only script. So that is the wrong direction, sir. Then only I'm giving the clarity here. And next, I'm going to starting the JavaScript introduction, sir. So what is JavaScript? Who developed this JavaScript? When it comes, what are the features, so guidelines, so rules and regulations, etc., etc. Or 10 to 15 points there comes one by one. I'm going to explain it. Same procedure I followed in HTML starting days also. Now same sentiment will follows.